Let's learn about earned value management in this video, which is an important part of comparing the plan baselines and actual outcomes. Earned Value Management (EVM) is a methodology used to measure project performance against the project baselines. It integrates the scope baseline with the cost baseline, along with the schedule baseline, to form the performance baseline, which helps the project management team assess and measure project performance and progress. Let's look into some important terms in earned value management with respect to the project cost. First one is, planned value, which is denoted as PV, is the authorized budget assigned to scheduled work. Next is earned value, which is denoted as EV, is the work performed in terms of budget authorized for that work. Actual cost is denoted as AC and is the actual cost incurred in work performed. Budget at completion is denoted as BAC, which is the budgeted amount for the total work. Estimate at completion is denoted as EAC, which is the expected total cost for the project at completion. Estimate to complete is denoted as ETC and is the expected cost to finish all the remaining project work. Variance at completion is denoted as VAC and indicates the projected budget surplus or deficit at the end of the project. Let's look into the formula for earned value management. Cost variance, CV, is calculated using the formula, EV minus AC. Negative value of CV is over budget, positive is under budget. Schedule variance, SV, is calculated using the formula EV minus PV. Negative SV is behind schedule, positive is ahead of schedule. Cost Performance Index, CPI, is calculated by dividing EV by AC. This indicates how much worth of work we are getting out of every $1 spent. Schedule Performance Index, SPI, is calculated by dividing EV by PV. SPI indicates at what rate the project is progressing against the originally planned. Estimate at completion, EAC, is calculated by using different formulas. First is, dividing BAC by CPI and indicates work performed at current CPI. Second is, AC plus BAC minus EV, which indicates rest of the project at budgeted rate. Third, AC plus BAC minus EV divided by CPI into SPI, which indicates factoring in both CPI and SPI. Fourth is AC plus ETC, which indicates re-evaluated based on forecast value for ETC. Estimate to complete, ETC, is calculated by using the formula EAC minus AC. ETC indicates how much more the project would cost from here to the end of the project. Variance at completion is calculated by the formula BAC minus EAC. This indicates how much over or under budget we expect to be at the end of the project. To complete Performance Index, TCPI, is calculated using two formulas. First is, BAC minus EV divided by BAC minus AC. This shows at what rate the project need to progress so that it can be completed at the planned budget. Second is, BAC minus EV divided by EAC minus AC. This formula is helpful when the project should be completed to a specified value EAC. Hello. Let's look into an example for EVM calculation. Let's take a software project which has 4 sequential phases and each phase takes 1 month to complete. Estimated cost per phase is $10,000. Say now we are in end of the 3rd month as shown in the picture. Let's calculate the planned value, PV. PV is equal to $10,000 for first month plus $10,000 for second month and $10,000 for third month. Hence the total value of PVN is equal to $30,000. So by third month, we should have done $30,000 worth of work. Now we will calculate the actual earned value, EV. EV can calculated by adding the completed work of $10,000 for first and $10,000 for second month. Since only 50% of work is completed, EV for third month is $5,000. By summing up these values, we can estimate the EV as $25,000. So we can conclude that we have actually accomplished work worth $25,000. Now we will calculate the actual cost. The cost for the first month is $10,000, $12,000 for second month and $9,000 for third month. Adding all, we can estimate the actual cost as $31,000. Now the cost variance CV can be calculated by subtracting AC from CV. Hence, CV is equal to $25,000 minus $31,000, that is equal to $6,000, which tells that we are over budget by $6,000. Next we will calculate the schedule variance SV using the formula EV minus PV. Hence, SV is equal to $25,000 minus $30,000, which is $5,000. This positive sign shows that we are behind the schedule. Cost Performance Index, CPI, can be calculated as follows. CPI is equal to $25,000 divided by $31,000 and yields the result of 0.80. This CPI indicates we are getting 80 cents out of every dollar spent. Same way Schedule Performance Index, SPI, can be calculated as follows. SPI can be estimated by dividing $25,000 by $30,000. And that gives the result of 0.83. This SPI indicates we are progressing at 83% of the rate originally planned. Now, we will calculate the estimate at complete EAC and estimate to complete ETC using BAC, budget at completion, and CPI. EAC is equal to $40,000 divided by 0.80. And the value is $50,000. Hence the Hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share your comments. Stay subscribed for more knowledge sharing videos. Thank you for watching this video.